Hello, I'm Laura McHarrie at The Hidden Edge with another tea break tip on how to use business models and tools to help you manage your growing business. Today, we're looking at big data and data mining in particular. Big data is big potential. The amount of data that's being created and stored on a global level is almost inconceivable, and it just keeps growing. That means that there's even more potential to glean key insights from business information, and yet only a small percentage of data is actually analysed. So, what does it mean for business, and how can we make better use of the information that flows into the organisations every day? Well, first of all, let's have a look at the terminology, because it is a bit complex. Data science terminology. This is taken from Piasecki Shapiro. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And it's a really good model. It shows us that data mining is the gathering of information. And to be fair, this is a broad field to contain a single explanation, but data science is gaining the actionable insights from that data gathered. The data that we deal with can be historical or real-time data. Actionable insights are important because at the end, every data analysis project is performed with an aim to make decision-making process easier. Anything that helps to make decision-making easier is an actionable insight. Artificial intelligence is the broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart. And machine learning is a current application of AI, artificial intelligence, based around the idea that we should really be able to give machines access to data and let them learn for themselves. Machine learning can be thought of as a collection of techniques which enables computers to perform expertise tasks, tasks that cannot be described with explicit commands. Machines have the computational power to outperform human expertise in many, many tasks. And that's why every company is using data analytics and machine learning in their decision-making process, instead of solely trusting on human expertise and gut feeling. Deep learning, also known as deep structural learning or hierarchical learning, or deep machine learning, is a branch of machine learning based on a set of algorithms that attempts to model high-level abstractions in data. It's a term that describes the large volume of data, both structured and unstructured, that inundates a business on a day-to-day basis. But it's not the amount of data that's important, it's what organizations do with the data that matters. Big data can be analysed for insights that lead to better decisions and strategic business moves. Whilst the term big data is relatively new, the act of gathering and storing large amounts of information for eventual analysis is ages old. The concept gained momentum in the early 2000s when industry analyst Doug Laney articulated the now mainstream definition of big data as the 3 V's. That's volume. Organizations collect data from a variety of sources, including business transactions, social media, and information from sensor or machine-to-machine data. In the past, storing such data could have been a problem, but new technologies such as Hadoop have eased the burden of volume now. Velocity. Data streams at an unprecedented speed and must be dealt with in a timely manner. Tags, sensors, and smart metering are driving the need to deal with torrents of data in near real time. And finally, variety. Data comes in all sorts of formats, from structured numeric data in traditional databases to unstructured text documents, emails, videos, audio, stock ticker data, and financial transactions. In this model, we can see the hierarchy of data administration, data analysis, business analysis, and the end user. And it is all about making decision making easier. So we look at the data sources. We look at how we process, integrate, and warehouse that data. We look at the data exploration. What statistical summaries do we have? What queries do we look at? How is the reporting done? Data mining. We're looking for information discovery at this point that we can use, that will make sense for our business to take notice of. The way that we present the data is essentially important in order for people to be able to understand, the business managers to be able to understand, and then of course taking those insights and doing something with them. The importance of big data doesn't revolve around how much data you actually have, but what you do with it. You can take the data from any source, analyse it to find answers, and help you with determining root causes of failures, issues, and defects in near real time, or generating coupons at the point of sale based on customers' buying habits, or maybe recalculating the entire risk portfolio of your business in minutes. Detecting fraudulent behaviour before it affects your organisation is another good example. So download the templates from the Head and Edge website and use them as a framework for having a good discussion about how you use data in your business and what sort of big data you could be looking at in order to support your business in the near future. That's it from me. So until next tea break tip, enjoy the rest of this one.